Yo guys, what is up? It's Mr. Crayfish and welcome to another device mod development stream. I think this is a little bit too loud for me. Hold up, turn that down a little bit. But yeah, welcome to another live stream, guys. We got something brand new. Today, guys. Pretty much I was playing around with my Stream Deck. So my Stream Deck, it's it's an Elgato product. Basically, it's designed for like live streaming. You can change what the buttons do on this little device thing. Let's have a look. Hold up. I'll see if I can show you guys. I'm not sure if I can. Wait, can I get it in camera? No, I can't get it in camera. The cord's not like super duper long. But it's like a little device which has like buttons and you can do stuff on it. And basically what I've done is I've configured a bunch of those buttons to do stuff in the chat. So I'll show you guys right now one of them. Let me just get this set back up properly. So we have a couple of them. We have one that posts on my social media link, so you guys will be able to follow me everywhere. We have one which is reminding you guys here to remember to snap that like button and to subscribe. So make sure you do that so you never miss out on a live stream. We have a cheese hype button. So if I go ahead and I press that one, you'll see it pop up in the chat here. Let's get some cheese hype in the chat right now. That's gonna be our thing, some cheese hype. Spam that cheese emoji. Hashtag cheese hype. So it's gonna be cool. So I have a social media link one. Then I also have like another one that allows me to do like a custom message. Kind of useless when I can just type it in. But then I've got like, you know, I don't think I've configured it properly. Whoops. I have to fix that up. Wait, why isn't that configured properly? Hold on. Let's see if I can fix that up. Source, mic, audio. Let's have a look. Alright, works now. There we go. Works now. Cheers, a cracker hype. Could you imagine if you were showing this off with a 30-second delay? Yeah, definitely. So it's a lot better now that we got like real-time interaction. But yeah, it's cool. And then this is the social media link one. This one takes a lot because I have to post 5 different messages. You can't have new lines in YouTube comments, which is kind of annoying. So let's post this one. Woo, let's do it. It posts like every single message, but that's all I can do. That's all I can do. I can't do new lines in messages, which is weird. YouTube doesn't allow it. So it's better than nothing. It is better than nothing. Was this episode 43 by mistake? Maybe I accidentally did it as that. Maybe I forgot to update it. I'll make sure I fix it if it's the wrong one. Let's have a look. I can quickly fix it now. I just don't want to spend too long. Yeah, let's have a look. My videos. Yeah, the last one was 43. Whoops. I'll quickly update it now. It won't be updated for you guys unless you like actual refresh. There we go. Alright. We Gucci. Facebook doesn't work. Oh, okay, what the? That's strange that it doesn't work. Does my other stuff work? Why is everything broken? These are like... Okay, the YouTube channel works. Why does like none of them... Why are they all broken now? Okay, I have to fix that up. Okay, Instagram works. Why do my other ones break? I don't know. Why did the other ones break? I'll fix them up later on. I got a notification for the stream 32 minutes later. It's not 32 minutes later. Literally only just started, dudes. But yeah, we're working on the device mod today. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to be working on. I did want to kind of get started. Work on the printer. What do you guys want to see? What do you guys want to see? Because we have a couple of options here. We can start working on, or we can continue working on the printer. We can start working on routers, which will be good. Or we can actually start working on crafting recipes and actually creating something good, because I've got somebody, I'm not sure if they're in the chat, got somebody on Discord who is dope at pixel art. Let's have a look, see if he's, okay, no, it's not there, but basically here, hopefully I can try and zoom on it. Ugh. Let me try and zoom on this. Oh, oopsie. I want to zoom. No! Why are you so crap? Let's open with Photoshop. Alright, here we go. No! But basically, somebody's pretty dope at pixel art and actually creating like circuit boards and like stuff like this. So this is kind of like a CPU component, which is pretty damn dope if you ask me. So I love his texture so much, so I'm thinking I'm going to be getting him to actually, you know, do some for me. Pay him to. Because I don't like, you know, I don't like taking stuff for free. Especially when like it's pixel art and like, you know, people put time and effort into it. I feel like stuff should be paid off. So that would be cool. But a lot of people have been saying router. Is it possible? Hold on, let's see if this is possible. I've never actually tried this, but I think you can go like, let's turn that down. I can go add card, add poll. What should we do? See if this actually comes up from you guys. Router. Let's see if this works. Oh no. My whole YouTube just crashed. My whole YouTube just crashed. Hopefully that works now. But if you guys see the card, let me know if you see the card. I'm trying to get my chat to work. Hold up. Let me know if you've got that card. Because it's got like a poll in it. How do I even look at like the results? I want to look at the results. No card. Oh my god. Why doesn't like YouTube have like proper support? Why is everything breaking? Everything's breaking. My whole website, YouTube's breaking. Like I literally try to, you know. Like why do I have to go to like straw poll to just to get a quick poll out, you know? Why can't I do it within YouTube? Because it is like super useful. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Alright. I just got the card. I've got the card. I got the card! Yeah, I got the card! I got the keys. Yeah, alright. Ah, there we go. Now they're coming in. 3 people. 3 people. They're accurate results right now. 3 people have voted. 3 people have voted. Damn. That's crazy. Maybe we need a refresh. Literally, the YouTube page keeps breaking. It keeps crashing. 4 people voted for router. I think it's router. What do you guys think? Spam in the chat right now what you think it should be. Alright. Reload your page, everybody. Should we work on the router? Router. 4 people want router. Gotta stop by and snap that like button. Hey, cheers, dude. Router. Crafting. Some persons just like crafting. That's because it's Minecraft dude. Dude, I'll see if I can tell you a list over the live stream. Pretty much, I need like, I'll tell you, okay, I want 32 by 32 icons because I don't think you're going to be able to do anything detailed with 16 by 16. I'll tell you that right now. There's not enough space in that. So 32 by 32 icons for everything. I'll be needing CPU, kind of like a CPU component, a GPU component, a motherboard component, a RAM component or memory. I'd rather call it memory than RAM. What else is in a computer? What else is in a computer? I'll need a hard drive component. I'll need a screen component. And then I think that's like it. If I have any more, I'll let you know. But that's basically the kind of the items that I want. Kind of all like the different pieces of a PC. So you have the motherboard, CPU, graphics card, or GPU, the memory, and then the hard drive, and then a screen. That's all I basically need. And then as well, right? Let's say, I don't know. Just for now, just in case in the future, if I ever decide to do anything extra with them. Oh yeah, speaker component might be a good one. Yeah, that's a good idea. Put a speaker component in there as well. People said cooling. I'm not going to go that detailed. Someone's like, LEDs, RGB LED RAM. RGB LED RAM. Can we get that, please? Oh, yeah, no, a Wi-Fi component might be a good one as well. So put a Wi-Fi component down that list. And as well, what was that one I was about to suggest? Oh, yeah, okay. So basically, let's say you create all these, the circuit board is green, right? Basically, just in case for anything in the future, I want to add in like tiers or something like that. Can we have like exactly the same components, right? Just a different version of them with a red board and a blue board. Just in case in the future, I decide to implement anything with tiers. Maybe like they break, like it could be potentially that those components break down over time. I don't know. But that's just an idea. So it would be good to have like better tier components. So hopefully you got everything that I listed down there. I'll contact you with more details later on about, you know, that stuff that we talked about in our chat. But yeah, alright, let's get into this now, guys. Let's get right into this now, guys. So yeah, Wi-Fi adapter, we've already got that down. Oh no, let's think about stuff that we need for like other devices. So like for a printer, what do we need for a printer? I'm just gonna say for a printer we need like a maybe there'll be just like a standard kind of I don't know, what would you call it? What would you have in a printer? Add a function to extend router signal. That might be cool. But I've already added like a config option, but maybe we'll change that, could allow that config option to be like upgraded options. I don't know. Alright, so gonna switch to core. Hold up. Slight problem. Alright, just go ahead and copy this. Discard. Let's go to core. Kachinga. Alright, and then let's go ahead and I just want to commit this. But basically I just updated the method. Why did the music stop? Oh my god, it does this every single time. Better. Needs a USB to connect to printer. Printer's going to be done over Wi-Fi. USB printers have motors. Maybe like, I don't know, a motor component. Or a inkjet component. One of those two. Why don't you use SoundCloud? Everybody knows that Windows Media Player is crap. You need paper. You need the paper! I need some greens. Alright, so let's go ahead and create a new branch. Router. So many branches. So many branches, my dudes. Look how many we got. Core, router, printer, application, components, database, FPOS, files, text area, XML. Oh, what's XML? Oh god. Or ink that you need to replace over time. I've already, I mean, if he can do like an ink cartridge, that would be dope. A 32 by 32 ink cartridge, that would be dope. Of like, maybe one, oh no, maybe all the colors, like key CYMK. All right. Let me just go ahead and fix up something, cause we need to do this. Alright, there we go. Gucci in the Louis store. Alright, so here we're going to create a new Java class block router extends block really material.anvil? Whatevs. Oh man, I woke up. I went to bed late. I didn't go to bed too late last night, but like I still didn't have like enough sleep. I really needed to sleep a lot earlier. I've been off topic general. Alright. I'm going to link you to an image of basic setup of printers. The printer needs RGB lighting. The printer needs RGB lighting. If it doesn't, then I don't want to be your friend. That'd be funny. Not really. We're gonna create a model for this. Yay! Let's create a model. You guys link me some dope routers which you'd like me to be inspired by. You'd have to do it in the Discord chat. Let me know, you know, what you'd like to see me be inspired by. Alright, so create new tile entity. Let's go new Java tile entity printer. No, not printer. Whoopsie. Router. Extends tile entity. Alright. Let's go laptop here. Copy a bunch of this. I really want to make this better. Instead of having like block horizontal, create like another block that extends that and then have this kind of all these common properties here, because I keep doing the same thing. I'm making a YouTube find the button map, and I need at choosing what build I should put in from you. I need help. What do you mean? I'm gonna draw an image of your crayfish cousin. I don't know why I'm doing that anyway. What? Who's my cousin? Who's my cousin? How do you know him? How do you know him? Embrace the RGB, boy. Alright, whatever. No, the RGB. Imagine RGB in a printer. No. Please, no. That would be the end of the world, my friends. That would be the end of my world. The world if there was RGB in the printer. Just like RGB as it's coming out. Oh god. No. Please, no. Alright. Alright. I want to try this out, because it's going to be a normal thing in the live streams. It's going to be a normal thing in the live stream, guys. We're going to try this properly. I need you guys to participate right now. So everybody watching, you got to do this right now. We need to get some cheese hype in the chat right now. So go ahead, get those cheese emojis, start posting them right now. Boom! Cheese emoji hype. Or cheese hype. Let's do it. Let's get it going. Let's get this cheese. Let's get this chat hyped up. That beautiful cheese. I've actually got some crackers and I got some cheese. Maybe I'll have some at this live stream, but cheese hype. I'll make sure I let everybody have their messages being shown just in case they get blocked due to spam. But I know they're not spam because they're cheese emojis, and who doesn't want to see cheese emojis? Oh, that was good. Cheese hype. I don't have the cheese emoji, sorry. Oh yeah, because people are on their phones and the phones don't have the cheese emoji, which is kind of annoying because the cheese emoji is the best emoji out there. I'm not sure why. Maybe you got like an old phone or something like that. Come on, guys. Where is the hype? I saw like 1 billion people didn't even post it. I know there's more of you in here. How many got? I don't know. We don't get a lot of people. We don't get a lot of people. I spam 100 emojis and it doesn't show for some reason. Yeah, I'm not sure what's up with that. Maybe it just didn't let you spam that. Yeah, cheese hype. If you don't have the emoji, you can do hashtag cheese hype instead. Just do hashtag cheese hype instead in the chat. Alright. So many of what we can do here. Block. Cha-ching. I don't even know what this song is. It sounds funny, I don't like it. Oh, it's a good song. Alright. So we've done that. We're gonna create the model. We're gonna create the model, guys. We might even just quickly create the block state. Router. Get rid of half of these. Try Antonio Leviant Street Fighter. I only played no copyright sound just because I'm guaranteed. If it's not no copyright sound, then I'm not really keen on playing it. So unfortunately, I didn't do song requests. Oh, I don't have next and next buttons. Damn it. I have to implement that because I've been I updated my stream deck to actually have like a dedicated page for all my YouTube live stuff, so I've still got to add more to it. I'm gonna make you an ink thing. Router Airport Extreme. It's just a square. It's just a square. Actually looks Y. Nah, it's probably good, but still. It looks like a flippin' square. If that was a joke, it wasn't a good joke. If you guys aren't a part of the Discord, you can actually join it in the description below. So a lot of stuff talking about the device API, and then there's like off-topic stuff. So if you're talking about the stream, which is currently on right now, oh dang, look at this! Someone's like working on like a phone version. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Is that actually like using the normal applications though? Laser printer components, there's too much! So maybe a printer will need memory, a motor, a motherboard. I don't want to do like too much stuff. Maybe like a power supply component is one more thing that we need to be added to it. Oh, we need a battery. We need a battery. That's what we need. Mr. Crayfish, every time I go home, I watch you every day. Dude! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody needs to get up with this guy. You need to be watching every single day when you get home. I almost wasn't able to stream today because I had a problem, but then I fixed it up. But I've been having internet issues. It only started yesterday, but the internet, like, I don't know how to describe it, right? It doesn't drop out, right? But I think something is up with the DNS server. So if you don't know what the DNS server is, it's basically when you write, I don't know, when you go to a web browser and you type in facebook.com, it converts facebook.com into its actual IP address and connects to that. So when I'm like, because when I actually type in an address, it takes forever. It like, you type in facebook.com, it doesn't even do anything. It's just frozen straight at that. So, and then it comes with like DNS probe, bad config, and that type of stuff. So I'm not entirely sure what that issue is, but it's something to do with the DNS server of whatever that we use. I might have to try and override it, because maybe it's that. We'll have to look into it. Bird! Calm down! You guys can hear that real well. Who can hear that bird? Who can hear the bird in the background? He just wants to be a part of the live stream. He just wants to be a part of the live stream. He's like, Crayfish, let me do the icons for the printer. Let me add in the RGB RAM. No, bird, you can't do that. No. Let the birdie sing. It's burb. Not what's a bird? It's burb, not bird. What are you guys talking about? The burb outside. The burb outside is squawking. Hey, you want me to come out there? I'll come out there. You don't want me to come out there? Nah, it's too hot. It's too hot. I hate this hot weather. Why? Oh, it's so sticky in this house as well. Like, it just doesn't get cool enough. Hold on, I'm gonna turn on my fan to go a bit faster. Because damn, that bird is loud. That, hey! 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 I'm gonna come out there soon. When am I posting to the main channel? I got a video. I'm recording a video today. I'm recording a video today, which is gonna be the device mod. And then I'm probably also gonna record like an explanation video. Shut up, you loud bird. Yeah, I'll close this. Alright, that will help with the sound. But like, the only problem is the aircon won't flow through my room as well. That's the only problem. Ooh! What time is it we're in Australia? It's 11:30 AM. You're dead to me! Whoa, that didn't sound right. Alright. Let's go ahead and let's get out the tool here to create some models. We're going on that model creator hype. Alright, let's go ahead and let's do this. So did anyone post any suggestions for the router? I don't think anybody did, so we're gonna Google our own stuff. Router. Holy. Some of these just look insane. Holy god. An Asus router. It's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things. 8 little sticky things. The screen is going to be the toughest one to do nicely. Hopefully you can pull it off, dude. Make it just like black. You don't need to do anything on it. Just make it a black screen. Sticky things are called antennas. It's got so many sticky things on it. It's got so many, the antennas. Oh. They're sticky things. A black screen with shading. Yep. That'll work. That'll work. Cray, you're my number one. That's right. That's right, you hear that, guys? My number one. Number one! This is kind of like my this is like my initial idea for a router. Alright. So it's gonna be very similar to all the other stuff, right? Very similar to all the other stuff. I can't wait. Yeah, you can wait. You can wait. So it's 4 in. Maybe 3 high. Base 1. Base T. It looks a bit high. We can always increase it later on. Base 3. This is actually just gonna be like that. Oh, somebody's here. Alright, back. Whew. Dang, it's so hot. It is so damn hot. I hate the weather. I just want to go to the beach. Just want to go to the beach. Mr. Crayfish, I just checked out my YouTube video game and what? I will never leave this live stream unless I go to bed, cause I'll be grounded if I don't sleep. No, dude, you gotta stay up. You gotta stay up, dude. Alright. So you guys gotta let me know if this is a good router or not. You gotta let me know if this is a good router or not, but I'm gonna continue making this. Is it the best router you've ever seen? Or is it the worst router? Rate me out of 10. Rate it out of 10. Well, not yet, but soon. If this is not the best router you've ever seen, then something's wrong with you. Something is wrong with you. Negative 10 out of 10. What the? I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I thought better of you guys. I really did. I really thought better of you guys. I'm making it look beefy. Like, if it's not a beefy router, get out of here. gonna look beefy. Looks like a building for American government would design. It's not gonna be that, trust me. It's not gonna be that, trust me. It still looks like a building. It still looks like a building. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything yet, but I mean, routers aren't really like the best ever looking thing ever. They're just a router. Someone did pi out of 10. Pi out of 10. If 0 to lit, how lit? If 0 to lit, how lit? Mr. Cray, do you have a girlfriend? Please tell me. I have a boyfriend. No, I don't have a girlfriend. I'm not cool enough. Now it's coming together. Now it's coming together. Yeah. Beefy router. Beefy router. Looks like a dope router so far, if you ask me. So obviously, basically, I'm keeping the theme of them all the same throughout all the models. So you're going to be seeing anvil, you're going to be seeing red wool in all the models. And this kind of detail on the side is kind of my, you know, signature type thing. Oh, whoopsie. Hold up. West. Auto UV. Alright, and now we need some sticky thingies. We need some sticky thingies. I feel embarrassed now. Alright, let's add some sticky thingies. Stick one. Just for the lols. Stick one. It needs to have like a little rotate thingy. Oh, it's a beefy route. That's a beefy route, I'll tell you right now. That's a good route. Maybe too black. Let's try something. I don't know, what color's like a slightly darker than that? What do they actually look like? There's big sticky thingies. Did you create the program you're using? Yes, I did create the model creator. It's an unreleased version, pre-5. Pre-5, not released to the public. but you can build it if you. It's difficult to build. So what I didn't like about the model creator, it was very difficult to build it because it wasn't just export; it was like do a billion other things. But I still use my program because like I built my program around my workflow and what I wanted, and like why I'm so used to it is like, you know, I know how everything works in it. And then maybe what we do is, right, on the Z-axis. Oh wow, sick. Sick. I don't know if I like it or not. We'll see. So that's gonna be 3.2, 1.6. Ah, yeah. Best router in the game. Best router in the game, my dudes. I feel like these need like a better connection to it. I don't like that it's like, you know, like that. I don't know why, but it doesn't look good. Can anybody explain why it doesn't look good? Can anybody explain with physics why it doesn't look good? Someone was like, I've seen better. I've seen better. I don't think it'd be cool if the model creator moved X, Y, width, height based off the camera's position, because it would make a lot of sense that way. You can actually, this is like an undocumented feature, but you can actually do this. I forgot what the resizing one was. Oh, here we go. You can actually do this. It's just not that well done. It's a bit glitchy. Because somebody actually did this as a PR. So like you can actually do this. I should use that more often actually. I used to use that all the time. So you can like, you know, do this. I should use this a lot more often, I think. Forgot how useful it was, because you can do like move around everything so quickly as well. But like, see how like this is really strange. I think it's because the ray tracing isn't updated dependent on the camera zoom. So I have to look into that. I'd like to fix it. You should make a more tool triangle prism version. What? Illuminati version, is that what you're saying? Cray vids are lit. Make the middle one taller slightly. Yeah, lit. What we're going to do is add in little connection thingies to it. So instead of bring all these back to I'll do it as 4. Such small detail. Has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1.3. All right. There we go, and then let's color these. So these are gonna be, I already know what I'm gonna do it. Stone. Oh, that's a good song. Is having 3 normal? I don't know. I just searched on the internet and there's some with like 3. I don't know if I don't like the look of it. It looks like it's like an eyelash. It looks like an eyelash at the moment. Is there a better way to do it? Maybe you could add some detail onto it. Maybe we could add detail. Make antennas more random. Remove the middle one and move the right one to the left one. I just want to make the antennas look better, because right now they just look like sticks, which I don't want them to look like sticks. They look like boring shapes. So I want to figure out how I can make it better. We go to bed. Maybe this might look good, right? Reduce everyone by 1, and then duplicate. Right, pop that there. Like a little red thing at the top. Why is that? Hold on. Why is that like, okay, oh no, it's 0.8, oh, that's why. No, it just looked like an eyelash with more makeup. With makeup. I mean, it looks a bit better. It doesn't look as plain. Unless we do something like maybe... like maybe even... It's lipstick. It's lipstick, guys. I created lipstick. Someone just opened the whole entire lipstick canister up and stuck it onto the back of a router. A lipstick monster. Oh god. I think the tips, the tops. I think the tips bent at the top would work great. Maybe not red. Red. If it is a different color, so you know, not that one. If I do like, oops. Now we can change it around, because now it won't look like lipstick. I mean, that's not bad. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's still I'm still not 100% with it. I gotta be 100% with it. Maybe we don't do like. Create like long versions. A long boy. Looks a bit better actually. That looks pretty good. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Remove a antenna. It looks better that they actually like the width of it. I mean the length of it. Ten out of 10, looking better. Oh, what if I go stronger? Oh. I'm sharing some icons with you in Discord images. That's like a Mac icon. Quick idea for a CPU in Photoshop. Is that 32 by 32? Because that's pretty dope. I mean, I don't know what why it says. What does it say on it? CINTL. This is like CR. That's like, I like the look of that CPU, I'm not gonna lie. But what's the CINTIL? You gotta feel. Ah, C into it. Ah, okay. I'd rather just like CPU on it. CPU. But yeah, what do you guys think? Definitely add a log in the middle top. What? Woo! Remove the middle antenna and move the right antenna near the left antenna and rotate it. What? Move the right antenna near the left antenna and rotate it. What? Remove the middle one and add a bend to the top half of the other two. What? How does that even make sense? Since when do they have bends at the top? They're just one stick thingy. They're one stick thingy. Show me one that has a bend, because I just searched up router and none of them have a bend at the top. Remove the middle one. Just set you on Discord. I have the original CPU just there for kicks. Is it private? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, dude, they're cool. I like them. Screen, that's good. I don't know, what are the components? That's memory, I'm guessing. That's the computer. Hard drive. That's good. Kachinga. I had one that had a bend. Well, it was probably broken. It was probably broken. No. Seriously, I'm not lying. I can't see any of them that have an antenna which has like a bend in it. From Google, that is. I'm not saying there's not, but it seems to be very uncommon. Very uncommon. They're just one stick. They're just one sticks. Alright. It's cool, I like it. I think that the text should be like a grey matching it though. Alright. This one is weird. That's not like, it's not like a bend, but it's like just being able to choose where, you know, this bend is. router. Alright, I'm gonna need suggestions, guys. Otherwise I'm going with this. I just don't like, it just looks like, I don't like the look of the antennas. Maybe it's because they're too thick. Could be why. Now look too thin. I don't know what to do. I think it would look a touch better if the body would be a slimmer. A slimmer. What? A slimmer. What is that? A slimmer. Would be slimmer. But it's already quite slim. This is 2 pixels high, right? It's 2 pixels high. Basically. It looks like a radio. You're a radio. You're a radio. No, I'm seriously trying to get some good inspiration here. Maybe try something here. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Need that beefy look to it. Like, boom. Yes. I've created it, guys. The best router in the game. Kind of sticks out of the bottom though. Of course. That looks better to me. Let's have a look what other routers look like. Maybe, okay, let's try stuff here. Maybe it just looks better without the rotation. It looks a little bit better without the rotation. And then maybe as well, we get rid of the middle one. Let's just save this, right? Just because I don't want to have to re-add it. So delete stick 2. Delete connection 2, delete detail 2. Maybe it just looks like better with 2. Maybe these even just No. Just looks better like that, maybe. Why do I gotta rotate them to the left? Why do routers point to the left? Rotate them to the left. Since when do they point to the left? One to the left, one to the right. But that's what I had before. And it didn't look good. Like, because I can do this. Did I move that? Doesn't look good when it's like pointed sideways. That's why I like the straight up. I noticed in a router that had antennas. Well, you probably don't have a high quality one. I think a lot of the higher end routers have antennas, and then a lot of low quality ones don't have antennas. But yeah, really they all have antennas. A lot of them are just hidden. And what do you guys think of that? I mean, you can always change it later on. I think that's good, Cray. Yeah, I think I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, let's just use it for now, because, you know, we're going to spend too long working on it. Oh wow, someone created like a, I don't know what it is. It's like a I don't know what it is. Standing one? I'm currently working on a mod like device API, except it's around desktops. Desktop mod. Pretty cool. What's with all the separate GitHubs? What do you mean? Brevity pulls you straight down. Because I don't like, let's say I'm working on a new feature, right? But I want to release, I don't know, the icons update. I don't want that new feature being added in this this buggy feature being added in, you know, the icons update. So when you're developing like major features like a router or like a new printer, you don't want them to be all working in the same branch. Like, it's good to work off of the master instead of working on the master. Work off on another branch instead. And then you just merge it all back in later on. That's how you do it. Yeah, so many branches, but that's because there's so many features. Because like, let's say you want to revert something to like an old one, like you're going to be reverting things that you don't want to revert. I don't know. But it's bad to work off one branch, like the master branch. You should always be creating separate branches for kind of major pieces. So I have one for the router, one for the printer, one for the files update. It's so as well, like, let's say I release an API version and there's instantly a bug, right? I can quickly, like, okay, there's instantly a bug, but I've already worked on, like, you know, Like, let's say I worked on one branch and I started develop, like, after I released the API, I started working on the printer more and I've committed more commits, right? But they're not related to that bug at all. I don't want those commits to be in that kind of updated version yet. So all I had to do instead is just, you know, fix the bug on the core branch, push it to the master, then release that instead of having all this printer stuff and all these other stuff included in that little bug fix. You can't send me a message privately on Discord. I've blocked that. Mainly because I don't want people being able to message me. I only contact personally if I'm actually, you know, like something I actually really need to, like serious professional. It's a professional environment, basically. Alright, so I've done that. We're gonna need a... There we go. Alright, let's load this up now, and it's not gonna work. Because we actually haven't even created it. I really need to update this map way of... router. Oopsie. Set registry name, router. Register the router. Alright, done that. Should be able to load it, maybe, first of all. Route it. You think you would be able to make a Minecraft custom sounds JSON generator? It's not that difficult to figure out how it works. I literally had to create one from scratch. It's not in this, but it's in the printer branch. Oh, whoopsie, I forgot to do a couple of things. We got to implement this. I just got here. What have you done so far? We've created the router model. Creating a router today. Because it's a crucial component to the device mod. Alright, that's weird. Why is get state for meta depreciated? It's because I don't know. So if I go into the super, right, it's not Minecraft that's done it, it's Forge that done it. And there's no like, I don't get it, get default state. I don't know why, but it always depreciates and I don't know what the alternative is. Let's have a look. Let's find out where it's being called from. There's a lot of pieces here. Like get state for meta from like Forge depreciates some of these methods, but then why? You know? Why? Where's my alternative? Why not? I don't know where the alternative is for it. It still works because the only way it will get rid of it is if Minecraft does it. But like the whole entire Minecraft uses this method, so yeah, exactly. Like this will be removed, but like I don't know if Forge did it or if Minecraft did it. But like, if you look how many times that method is actually being used throughout the game code here, like, it's quite a lot. It is quite a lot. Alrighty. Router. In 1.12 it's not depreciated. Okay. Yeah, it just says like there's usually an alternative because I know Forge will add in like more block state sensitive methods. Oh wow. But like it doesn't even, there's no like, it's not like pointing to anywhere else. There's no comment. There's nothing. I've like, you know, I've played Minecraft, right? Why did I even say that? Like, I played survival Minecraft, right, and I've never found one of these biomes legitly. Like, and I never will, because I don't play survival anymore. Like, I'll never have that achievement of finding a clay biome, ever. I've just never done it before. And I don't plan to either. I think it's like one of my favorite biomes. Just because the amount of clay you can get from this. And it's like so useful for building. And then we're next to a jungle edge biome. What? Is it actual? It looks like a jungle edge. It's just jungle edge. Oh dang. Isn't that rare? Or not? Is that rare or not? Jungle edge. Jungle hills. I'm pretty sure a jungle edge was like a rare biome. Did I just find one within 100 blocks from the spawn? Did I just find one? Someone is spamming links. Who is? I don't know what's going on. I'll let mods. I don't think there's any mods on at the moment. Don't think there's any mods on at the moment. Yeah, no spamming in the Discord. Even in the off-topic thing, don't just spam random stuff. It's off-topic chat, not off-topic spam. I'll deal with it later on. I don't want to deal with it on stream. Alright. There it is. It feels weird. Usually the print is in that location. What the? I know why. Who called me out? Who didn't call me out for that? Alright, we need to restart. He's been spamming for weeks. He's got a warning. He's got a warning. Where's my warning guy? Yoink. Let's just make sure. Hold up. You're probably just seeing all this right now. Alright, here we go. Kaboom! Dang, look at that. That looks pretty cool. What the heck? Why is it black? Why is it black? What the flip happened there? What's that to do with this one? Ah, no, I see. My mistake. Okay, I think I'm gonna reload the game completely here. Are you ever going to make an item model for the PC that has a top? Yeah, eventually will. Oh, when the night is over, Spidget Fitters come out. Oh god. Alright, there's our router. Beep boop beep beep beep. This is a router. That's what the sound it makes. Let's fix up this hitbox. I think we gotta create like a proper hitbox here. Make it a good one. Have you made any crafting recipes for the items in the mod so far? Not yet. But if you guys have any suggestions of how the crafting recipes should go, do let me know. Now obviously I'm implementing in these kind of components, so make sure they're based on components. So there's the CPU, there's a GPU, motherboard, battery or power, whatever, hard drive. So let me know. Someone said they posted the RAM. It's like a Corsair RAM. Corsair Vengeance RAM. I didn't know you mixed the JSON and the T render to the render. Yeah, I did. That's the only way I can get that flippy motion. The flippy motion. Laptops don't have graphics cards. Yeah, they do. They do have graphics cards. Otherwise, how do they claim they've got a 1080 Ti? Well, it's not a 1080, but they do have separate. I'm pretty 100% sure they do have separate graphic modules on them. Unless it's integrated. I mean, it probably is obviously like integrated, but I'm pretty sure, I don't know. It's not like a graphics card that you put in like a PC. It's like a one designed for a laptop, but it's like a separate piece in the laptop. A lot of them have integrated graphics into the CPU. That's the other option. But like gaming laptops usually have, you know, a separate one. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, let's fix up this. So I developed I don't think I've actually got that in here. Yeah, no we don't. Ouch. Ouchie, ouchie, ouch. Alright, let's do this right now, guys. Let's get some cheese hype in the chat right now. So I need you guys to post your cheese emojis and as well post hashtag cheese hype right now in the chat. Let's do this. Post it now for the cheese. For the cheese, my dudes. It's for the cheese. I should get some cheese right now. Hold on, I'll be back. It was for the cheese hype. It was for the cheese hype. It was for the cheese hype. That's cheese right there. That was some mad cheese hype right there. You should have seen me bolt out of my room there. I almost fell over. I almost fell over. Did anyone else's chat just disappear for 30 seconds? Oh, I think I might know why. Hold up. So, if you... Oh no, it doesn't do it for this. I don't know. I don't know. It shouldn't disappear for 30 seconds. What's that opposite of cheese salami? That was some good cheese. I'm not gonna lie. That's some dope cheese. Break that beat back. Hold up, what I'm gonna do is it has now been missing for more than a minute. I can see everything. I can see everything. Alright. Alright. Yeah, yeah. Fire, fire in the booth. You get me, blood. You get me, blood. Man's not hot. Hog to Asney. He's got the pompy. Hog to my man. He's got the frisbee. Oh, I see a crab. Alright. My time has come. I never felt this way before. Where is it? E2 collision helper. I never forget this day. Alright, there we go. Might be wondering what that is. Basically my super duper advanced way of being able to create bounds, because they're a bit of a problem. But I made a real easy way to do it. Public static bounds. Selection bounds. Hold on, I'm just gonna double check how I did it in the printer. I want to make sure I have consistent. So I did. Okay. We'll say body bounds. Because I'm gonna do pixel perfect. Pixel perfect. Box equals new bounds. How many pixels? 1, 2, 3, 4. .0. Then I think it's 2 in. Yep. And then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then say 2 pixels high, and 14. Alright, boom. You're done now. Not really. Gotta do this. I should really create a better way to do all this, because I hate creating all this. I should create like a simple method here. Oh, I could do that. Instead of having all this right, I could just have one method here. Say, get bounding boxes. That'd make it so easier. I'll change that up later on. It's so cool how I can just improve my code. Because I just hate having all this defined in here. I could just literally just have like this. Alright. And then we're going to do another one. This one's going to be selection. selection bounds, it's going to be all one less. Or one more. Alright. Everything we done. Get bounding box. So here instead, right? Pretty damn simple with it. Body. Bounding box. State. Get value. Facing. Like that. And then I think this is the selection box. So stop that, start again. I'll see you tomorrow, Cray. See you later. But I didn't even mention this. If you guys want to get a shout out in this live stream today, make sure you go over to my Twitter. Link is in the description below, and I'll be shouting your name out. If you're a regular, you've probably already done it. But if you're new around here, go to my Twitter, retweet, and I'll shout your name out at the end of this live stream today. Boom. You done know. Big shock. Yeah. Alright. I need to fix up those links. I keep posting them, but I remembered like half of them are broken. Just remembered half of them are broken. But yeah, there we go. That's a good... Look at that. Perfect. And then perfect collisions as well. Because I know how to do all this. Oh, whoopsie. Why am I in it? Oh, no, I'm not. Did I do that right? One, two, three, four in. Yeah, that's right. Hey, come with us and we'll go along the road. I hate having to install new Forge versions every 3 or 4 days. What? The printer is amazing. Cheers, dude. Who saw that video? Who saw that video, guys? Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys, but I actually add Q Q to the printer, which I guess I will show off soon. Alright, we can do it now anyway, because I'm going to commit all this. Added, started, adding router. Alright, and let's go ahead. We'll publish that so you guys can check it out if you really want to. I just saw it right now, very hyped. Yeah, we're gonna check it out anyway. Let me know what you guys think of this, because it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Dun 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 dun. That's my music, eh? Check Discord hype. Ah, okay. Has been spamming for weeks. No. take you, Jack a pill. Alright, here we go. So here's the printer, right? And now we can actually like finally queue up stuff. Hold up, what I'm gonna do. I got that. Let's get USB out. Ka-ching. Let's copy that. Paste that onto there. And then we can actually, because right now the computer doesn't save its data when you move it. So now we can just do that. Alright. Couldn't just move the printer, but oh well. I like the idea. Alright, so load. Right. So we go print. And you can just do this like as many times as you want, pretty much. And I'll add it to an actual queue in the printer, which is cool. I know, not really the best art in the world, but you know, you get me. Hold up. I like the yellow file browser better. Yeah, definitely a lot better. Improved it with the new icons. Let's see, as you can see, it's now doing the next one. So it actually has a queue now, which is really, really nice. So you can print out lots of documents. And it'll just keep doing it, oh, instead of only being able to do one. Pretty easy to implement, actually. There was only like probably like 10 lines of code, I'm not gonna lie. 10 lines of code was added. It's beautiful, I tell you that right now. It's beautiful. If you don't like it, you can eat a banana. Cray, can you let us move the laptop instead of losing? Yeah, I'll be fixing that up. I should really fix it up like now, because it's literally an easy fix. It is an easy fix. I said I'd do something so it doesn't. The problem is that the NBT. It's not too much of a problem. I guess people won't be. People will be though. I want to make it so it doesn't sync. I want to make it so it doesn't sync the NBT tag data to the client. Because it's going to be a lot of data, and if I'm sending that like, you know, over a network all the time, that's going to be a bit of a problem. How much progress have you done on the router? I see you have started that on commits Discord. I'm a bit late. I've done a lot of on the router, sorry. I've only just added it in, like literally nothing except for the actual block and model. So there you go. Just did some print jobs there. And now we can actually go ahead and you know, pop that down. Beautiful. Remember how I created that house? Everybody remembers. No, maybe not everybody remembers. Who remembers when I created that beautiful house? It was a beautiful house. It didn't need to be destroyed or anything. It was just purely a beautiful house. Oh no, you can do that. Ooh. Yeah. That just looks weird. It just looks weird. It's like it's glowing. Need to print 1,000 crayfish pics. Are you gonna have the art contest? Yeah, I am gonna have the art contest. When I actually get the printer released, we're gonna do an art contest on the test server. Whoop. And there's gonna be a time limit. Have you ever heard of a throat therapist? And no, it's not dirty, it's an actual thing. No, but I'm assuming it's a real thing. I don't know, what would you do? How to open your mouth again. Your pixel painter will have the new color picker once they get that sorted out. My mum has a constant tickle in her throat and doctors can't find it, so apparently she has to rely on pseudoscience professionals. When you fix the laptop model in the hotbar? Soon. Soon, my dude. These icons I hid in your DMs. Pixel art. Ooh. Let's have a look. Oh wow, you've done a lot. Can I view them all? No, hold on. Extract. Okay. Got all the different versions of it, good. Yeah, cool. What's this one? Oh, it's a GPU. That's the RAM, hard drive. Wait, what's that one? Oh, it's the battery. I don't know what that one is. Damn! Look at all those fleeky icons right there, guys. Look at all those fleeky icons. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite in this list of icons? I can't even see it now. My face is covering it up. Wi-Fi low is the best. Wi-Fi low is the best one. It's so simple. Which is your favorite icon, guys? There's so many cool ones out there. So many cool ones on this list. Big shock icon. We need to add that. Dead battery. My favorite is the home icon. Maybe make tooltips render over the app so you can read them. What do you mean they do? You're saying tooltips don't render over? There's a slight bug or I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it, don't worry. I fixed the bug. It's in the comes in the next update. when we are charging for the laptop. Soon. Arrow left. Just that one. Mine's the store icon. Yeah, that was good. Took me a while to design that one. I like... my favorite is probably... like these... I like these three. I like them. I don't know. Coin icon's cool. They're all designed by me. They're all designed by me. I'm kind of proud of that. They're all designed by me. Like, I didn't have like any. I mean, I had help with them, but like a lot of, or pretty much 100% of these icons are all drawn by myself, which I'm pretty proud of. Pretty proud. Oh yeah, I was looking at Discord. Pixel arts. Yeah, it's hard to see. It's hard to look at them because they're let's have a look again. Pixel arts. See if I can open it with something other than open with. Thank you, Windows Photo Viewer, for being a lot better than the Windows 10 one. Because when you zoom in on the Windows 10 one, it blurs it out. Why not do just a nearest edge zoom? So here we go. Windows 10 trying to be fancy, but you're not. So there's that. There's an upgraded version of it. I like the look of them. I like the look of them. There's a red one. This is GPU. It kind of, I don't know. To me, I feel like this here should be the CPU with that lighter grey, and then switch this around to be the GPU. Because this one feels like a whole lot more like a CPU feel to it, like a real life one looks like. Just my opinion, you know. But it'd be good to see that changed around. But I really love what you've done so far, dude. I really love what you've done so far. RAM is cool. I like the kind of, like, the feel of this here, where you've like offsetted it by 1 pixel. I like that kind of feel to it. Like, it's very, it's not like perfect, you know. It's not like just straight lines type stuff. Hard drive's good. I feel like with the hard drive, just instead of having this offset there though, you just have it all the way up. Screen is good. I don't think you can get any better than that. Wi-Fi component. It looks good, but I feel like it could be improved slightly. And battery, yeah, good enough. Bat, I don't know, what is this? Bat CN. Is that a battery or what is that? I don't know what it stands for, but I mean, it looks cool. But yeah, let me know which one you guys think is your favorite. Skia! Now this is here. Skia! But yeah, I love that, but I feel like this one should be like CPU. And then this should be like GPU. Just my opinion. Or maybe even the GPU look a little bit more like a card shape, but up to you. I really love the icon so far though. I'm not gonna lie, you definitely got some dope pixel art. But yeah, can we all get it? Can we get it? Can we get a cheese hype? A cheese hype for Minecraft Doodler for creating some pretty dope icons so far. Can we get some cheese hype for Minecraft Doodler? Oh, cheese hut, cheese hut, cheese hut, cheese hut. I really love this setup that I've got going with the stream deck now, that I can just like post like anything that I want. I can post instantly. Like how I actually do this, I just want to go into it. Maybe you guys would be interested in how it actually works. Is that inside of, let's just go to it. Here, right? So I built this application. Just a simple Java application, nothing special. But then I've got all these bat files, right? So this is cheese hype, this is a custom message post like, and then the post to socials. Then I go on here, right? And I've just got like this, so basically starts up Java. I've got an argument here, type, and then cheese, and then actual inside of the Java program here. It sends that, processes that data, and then sends it off to YouTube API, puts it in the chat. The insane amount of cheese and cracker hype. It's insane. Now this posted to Peachy. Peachy? Who's Peachy? Yes, my chat is back. Okay, it's probably only your side. Printer. Printer, printer, printer. Yeah, it's fine. It's eating up my paper. Just put OCD on somebody right now, I'm sorry. OCD right now, anybody? I'm sorry guys, I had to do it. I just made the hard drive more square and bleh. Did it allow the ability for custom image sizes? Yes. Pretty much as you can see here. Well, I'm pretty sure this here, look, it's an image which is downloaded off the internet. I'm pretty sure it's like 1000 by something. And then it's like squished into this, so you can set it to any sizes you want. I'm working on an area for the art contest on the test server. Okay, cool. That'd be cool. Ah, that's one thing I could do. Alright. I didn't commit anything on that, did I? No. Alright, cool. I know, we're on the printer branch anyway. Okay. One thing that I didn't do was make it so the actual item is called, you know. So we need to go to I need to create a way. I know. No, don't do that. Alright. Where's the dialogue? Dialogue. Because we got print, right? But we don't have, like, name. Private. Final string name. And then we're gonna do this dot name equals name. Gotta get up again. We'll give that nullable because I want to be able to make it nullable, I think. Task print string name again nullable. And then it's just here when we write this, we'll just say if name doesn't equal to null. Name, oopsie. Which I have to do. Oh no, we can do that. Sorry. There. You should make a video on tasks. Yeah, I do want it, but I also want to refactor tasks because there's some really redundant stuff in there. Or it's not designed. It needs to be designed a little bit better. It's gonna still have the same kind of, you know, formatting that it's got now, but it needs to be designed a little bit better. Because I feel like some of it isn't designed that well. Because, yeah, I'll fix it up. So like, I want to improve it before I do a video on it. Because like tasks are very important. I'm going to tell you right now, tasks are very important if you want to do anything on the server side. Can you make an updated app tutorial? Registering apps have changed? Yeah, it has. Yeah, I'm going to fix it. Hold on. Somebody is home. But yeah, we got 20 minutes left of this live stream today, I'm pretty sure. Or did I already... This is overtime live stream. Is this overtime live stream? I'm pretty sure this is hashtag overtime live stream. Just give me 2 seconds. I'm going to see who was here. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Hey, I'm back. I am back. So it seems that I need to actually create like a class here. What was that? Facebook notification. What the flip? Yeah, it's all good. Public static class. Q. Entry. Then we need like a private print. Stuff I'm doing like a string name. No. Generate constructor. Alright. Then we have here Q entry instead. Add to Q string name. New Q entry. Who is this? Game crash? Should I send an error log? If you want to. It's probably already something that I know about. Current print. Because this is the part where we want to spawn it. I think iPrint needs to be an abstract class. But then again, I don't know. Yeah. I think it needs to be an abstract class. Because I can't do variables, you know. Or can you? Oh, wow. You can do variables. So... string name equals null. So if I do that right, type does that mean that I can, because I might be able to refactor a ton of stuff here. Didn't really, I think it's Java 8 or something where you can put actual variables. I don't know if that's been a thing. Is it not an interface? It is an interface. But I want to be able to do, yeah, like tag dot set string name print name if print. How weird's that? It doesn't even come up. What was that saying here? Print static member. Is it static? Is that a static? Oh. I don't get it. How is that a maybe we have like a it's static. What? How does that make sense? Okay, it's probably how it is. Interfaces can't do a lot of stuff. Maybe we have like a get name method. I think it might be a good way to counter this. Get name. So right, so right. Let's have a look. It's hashtag overtime live stream, guys. Hashtag overtime live stream hype. Can we get a cheese and cracker hype? Let's get a cheese and cracker hype right now, guys. And then also a like as well. A like as well. File browser server crashed. Ah. Create overtime button on your deck. It just sounds weird. Sounds weird. Create a hashtag overtime live stream button on your deck. Deck. If you're from New Zealand, you can't pronounce deck. 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 Right. Oh god, alright. Howdy tag.set string name. It's your Aussie accent, dude. Just stop before there's a scandal. Deck. Oh god, I'm just gonna stop here. Just gonna stop here. I think you posted pixel art too. Alright, here we go. We got updated pixel art, dudes. We got some updated pixel art, dudes. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see. Open with. Alright, let's check these out. Alright, that's looking dope. GPU. Blue one, red one. CPU, damn. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That looks good. Yep. Yep. RAM's still perfect. RAM's still perfect. RAM's still perfect. Oh, that's cool. I like that. It's interesting. Wi-Fi. I'm trying to figure out what the shape of it is. I don't know if that's me. Trying to figure out the shape of it. hard drive. Still not going up to the end. Maybe he wants to keep it like that. Screen and then bat. I think there's more actually. I know that was it. That looks dope. CPU. GPU. I'm thinking out loud. As far as I can see. I need to make name a standard thing. I feel like this needs to be an abstract class because I need to make get name a standard thing. And like I don't want people to be able to, you know, use get name, right? Let's just see, for instance, how I'd use it in my own. So if I get name, like I know how to use it though, you know. It's not too much of a problem actually. So leave it up to the person to do it. We won't put that there. Leave it up to the person to do it. And here we'll say generate thing. And we'll say if print get name doesn't equal to null. Print get name. There we go. Guys, taking icon suggestions? Okay. What else do we need? What did I mention before? Oh, we haven't got a motherboard. We haven't got a motherboard. Motherboard. A motherboard we need. What else do we need? Motherboard. My question is, how do we craft the actual boards? Do we go even more detail? Can we get, can you create Minecraft Doodler? Hopefully you're listening right now. Can you, okay, we need a motherboard, but can you create just like a plain circuit board looking thing, which can be used for a crafting recipe? Just a plain looking circuit board. And then Maybe like, I don't know, what are they, like capacitors or something, whatever. A capacitor icon. Maybe like for the CPU, right? So you have like a circuit board and then you have the CPU part. Maybe it could be called like, I don't know. Maybe like the CPU, it would be just, there'll be an item called the CPU, which will just be like the little piece. But when it's actually on the board, it would be called the CPU component. So like, see if you can create sub-items from the ones you've already created, almost. String name. Alright, we'll do tag.set string name to name there. Alright, super duper easy. And then, what's up here? Canvas, get, name, picture, name, get, name. What's wrong? It is used. Print to why is that wrong? It clearly has a constructor here. New picture. Whoopsie. No. Why is that wrong? Oh, here, whoops. My bad. Rip. Rip. Get rid of that. Oh, this name crap. And then we're gonna go back to iPrint. Get rid of this Q entry. And then just back to this. All right. Whoops. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. And then just inside of here. Oh no, that's fine. Alright, that should be fixed. Let's run it now. Let's run it! Look in Discord off topic general, you'll love what you see. No, that's a motherboard. It's like a model. Did I love it? Whoops. Test. Make a disk drive. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Alright, here we go. So we should get like an actual name properly now. Rest in peace. Whoopsie. An empty string is not allowed. It ain't empty. Oh no, whoops. Alright, let's try that again. Making that app we discussed. I'm on a roll. It has no interface, so someone else can do that. Spend all day trying to figure out swing components, so no thanks. Just want to get this done. All you need for the interface for that type of application is text fields. Tell it what your mod ID is. Tell it what your mod ID is. And then you should be able to just do the rest. Like setting up all the basic stuff. It'd be good if it even generated classes for you. Like the kind of blocks class. The items one. I can't do a front end stuff to save my life. Dude, I love both back end and front end stuff. There we go, now we actually have like a piece of paper with that. That's cool. Prince. We need to also, whoopsie. And get named is empty. If it's empty, then I don't want to add it either. Prints now. Printed. Now has name. Printer pay now. Gets. What can I call this? Printed. Printer now. Names. Yeah, whatever. And then there's a quick fix that I wanted to do. Completely forgot it now. Oh my god. Paper, printer, paper, printer, paper, printer, printer, paper. Yeah, that's it. Lang. We forgot to add this. Printed paper. I don't even have an item. Let's have a look. I just want to look if there's like a method which prevents MBT data from being synced. Because I feel like there's here we go. If this function returns true, the item stack's MBT tag was sent to the client. Yes! Thank you! I need to turn that to false for the laptop. One main reason is because if we do that, when we have one of the items, we're sending all this data, which is massive, to the client every single time, and we don't want that to happen. Thank you. Thank you for allowing this method to exist. Whoever added it. Jens or something like that, thank you. Fixed. Did you what you want? So test. You should check out the new textures, hashtag hype. Pixel art 3. So many of them. What are we looking at? Okay. Hey, what is that? What is that? SSD. So like a plain circuit board. Yep. Yep. Definitely a big fan of the CPU icon. I think that's it, yeah. Still waiting on that motherboard. Nah, no rush, dude, no rush. I'll tell you that right now. But yeah, they're cool, I like them. So just kind of a plain circuit board. I like it. What should I base the motherboard off? I don't know, do whatever you like. Do whatever you like, dude. Obviously, base it off like a... I don't know. Maybe something that looks like it has like, I don't know. Just base it off like a normal kind of desktop motherboard. Even though it doesn't make sense, we're still just going to do it. Alright, so fix that up. Let's go ahead. Let's try this now. Core, right? Let's get it back to core. Stop this. I'm just gonna go to block. Let's get my furniture mod code. Should have block crate. So in block laptop, I don't know, whatever. Here, tile, entity, laptop. Well, we don't need to check for that. We just need to use straight this. Drop. Laptop right to MBT. Alright, perfect. And then we need to override there's a method get dropped item, return null. Let's make sure there's nothing else. That's it. Cool. Now we need to actually create here, right? I need to do like a register block. We need like another one where it's like private. Register block class extends item block. Then we need to do like class.new get constructor block.class new instance block. Is that how I can do it? Or not. Maybe do it a different way actually. No, let's not do it like that actually. Let's just do item block item do that. And here we just do register block new item block. And then here instead we just do New. We need to create a new package here. When we call it, new package. Sorry. Called item, and then we'll call this new item laptop. Extends item block. Alright, and get share tag false. Oh. Oh, that's a good stretch. Oh, I'd have. And then inside of our block laptop, new item stack this, so it should return our thing. Set tag compound. Yep. And then we also need to unplaced. So when it's removed, when it's placed, we do tile entity laptop. Alright. Then we do CDM laptop. I think that's what it's registered as. We'll have to change that later on. We'll see. Rename that. Or just for testing of compound is equal to null. Just so I don't have any IDE errors, warnings. 17 cubs and only 11 people watching. It's 'cause people don't care. People don't follow my live streams as much. I mean, it's the weekday. It's Wednesday for me. But usually on, usually weekends. It depends. It's a technical channel. It's a lot different to, I read that. I don't use that. No. Alright, here we go, guys. The ultimate test here. Alright, this is the first. So basically, we're hoping that we can actually pick up the laptop now. So if we create like a folder called Hello here. We should have a laptop which has tags on it. I'm hoping that the tags aren't on it. Get let's see where this actually gets. Okay. If stack get item is damageable. Alright. It shouldn't have anything on it. It shouldn't have anything on it. Pop that down. Oh, it opened up. Hello. Okay, it worked. But I'm just hoping that it doesn't like... I don't want it to like write... Oh, what's this? MBT size tracker. Was it Henlo I see bread people on the server? I don't know. Someone added it in. Alright, let's get rid of this. Return null. I know I don't want to send anything to the client. Alright? Don't want to send anything to the client. I was hoping it's not being used anywhere else. Is that the only usage of it? It's only usage, okay. So it's only used in sync into the client. Alright, let's restart this. Hashtag overtime livestream, cheese hype right now. Cheese hype right now. Oh, whoa. What's wrong with syncing to the client? The problem is that this laptop, right, has so much data on it. Think about if I'm set every time you pick up the laptop and place it down, right? Or mainly picking up the laptop, right? It's sending all that data to the client. It's a lot of data, and I don't want that to happen because it's network issues, it's a performance issue, and it doesn't need to be on the client anyway. Like, there could be, I can filter it out, which I'm probably going to do because I might want to make laptops be able to be named, right? And if I don't share it, then, you know. Let's have a look. Hello. So what does it say? So it still says 3 MBT tags. I think I know why. It's because we're on a local single player world, whereas if we actually start up a server, right? See you again. I see bread people. Apparently I can join it, but I'm not. Don't risk it. Let's see what happens. It's gonna crash for me, I know. I'm gonna break the server because I'm using a version that should not be used on here. Ah! We're working on the art contest. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Someone like upgraded all this, dang. Let's have a look. Where are they building it? Downstairs, I'm coming. Yeah, better not crash the server. Okay. Alright, it's just laggy. Oh. Wait, what is this? It does nothing. Where are they? Oh, down here. Ah, here's the room. Oh, wow. It's big. This is cool. I like it. Regulars only. Private area. Whoa! There's holes in the floor. That might not be help. No, it's cool. I like it. It's in dev. I can't believe this is all under my building. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. They're building a room. It's cool. But I'm gonna test. Hold up. I need to test if this actually works. This whole server ding. The server ting. The server ting. So we should be able to pick that up. And it shouldn't have anything on it. Yeah, okay. It's only to do with the client side. So if we place that back down, let's create something on here. Should be able to pick that up. Should be able to place it down. Ouch. Why does it do that? Maybe get rid of that. Turn off both. Whoa, uh-oh. I close my eye, I can almost see it. I don't know when this is called, let's check. Maybe we have to make it only world.is. Make it only like clients, yeah. Hey dude, just stopping by before bed, but keep up the mods, they're awesome. Thanks dude, appreciate that. Because of the textures, I'm dubbing my new texture central interconnection panel. Oh. There's a mad overtime live stream. It's been 3 hours, guys. 3 hours. Oh. What? Oh. Gun mod? I'm not gonna work on that today. Alright, let's place these down. The idea is I still should have this folder. Ah! Why doesn't that work? Alright, let's test these. I'm not in debug mode. Why isn't that working? I can fly, I can't. Ability. The stream isn't as long as it takes to set up a mod environment. Let's verify it still works on single player. Oh no, but that sends the tags. I don't want the tags. It definitely has it on it, okay. Let's just test if this was the problem of overriding it. Like, it shouldn't be, it's only client-side stuff. Alright, let's get rid of that. So we should have something like debugger, drop. Whoops, no. Should have the drop here. Stack tag compound. Alright, let's make sure we analyze this as well. 100% has it on it. Why did I get disconnected? I can fly. Okay, this is our stack tag compound is null. Oh no, this is right. Oh no, I think it was alright, hold up. We got disconnected when we did that. Okay. Okay, so the method isn't being called on the server side. Why does it not do that? It should do it on... Oh, maybe it does have a tag compound. Alright, place that. Stack, no tag compound. Yep, has tag compound. Alright, and let's do it now. What are we doing? Stack. Stack doesn't have a tag compound. Very strange if you ask me. Maybe there's on block added. Maybe in item laptop we can do on let's have a look at what it has here, right? Because this is where it would actually add it. Get held item. Let's see what this actually is. Item stack. Tag compound is null. Why is it null? It shouldn't be null. Place block at. Set tile entity MBT. Block entity tag. How can we utilize this? Block entity tag. I know, don't worry about that. Let's go block. Block shulker box. Unblock harvested. Unblock harvested. Okay, called server side break block. So I'll actually use this instead. I put it in the block class. So just clean this up. Oops. Add overrides, retile. Tile entity laptop. Laptop. It's pretty much the same stuff that we want to do. Except we want to do this a little bit differently. Let's say stack. Call it drop. Alright. Then we'll do compound. And we'll say compound, set that. Oh, we've got an instance of laptop. Save to NBT, what's that? Okay, so it's like different. Is it like an interface? Don't know. These new textures are good. Textures. Pixel art 4. We got all these revisions. Oh god, there's so many now. You're gonna fill up my PC. Open with. So hard drive, SSD. What's that one? What's the yellow one? What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. Is that the motherboard? What is the yellow one? Or the grey one, or whatever, pale. Skin color. That doesn't make sense. What is that one? Oh, is that like the motherboard? Yellow one is plain plastic. What's this component? I don't know what this component is. What is that? Ugh. That's a super mini fan. Ah, okay. Looking good so far. Whoops. Item block special. Oh, yeah. Is that what we've got to do? Where is this used for? Item block special. So get sub compound tag. Okay. Do this. Call this the tile entity tag. Compound, EMBT, and Cray is in the voice channel, of course. What? I would recommend deleting all the old versions so you don't get clutter. Yeah, I will, obviously. There we go. Clean this up a little bit. And then this we'll put here. Get rid of that. Let's make sure it's block shulker box. Alright, so now it should like use this method or verify that it does actually call it as well. Alright, let's test this out. Test that it works on. I'll run a client too. Who reckons this is gonna work? Ugh. Alright, so break it. Got it. Shouldn't have that on it. Oh no, it's because, yeah. And place it down. Okay, it's there. Cool. Yeah, that works. Cool, cool, cool. The ultimate test is actually on a server. I'm happy about that, eh? Alright, let's make sure that, you know, everything's Gucci. Let's create a folder there. Hold up. It needs to be like positioned just there for my live stream, but it's just slightly over off screen. Oh god, frozen. Yes! Oh. Hold up, let's do that one more time. Good, it doesn't have the tag on it, as we saw before. Alright, let's do that one more time. We're gonna draw a picture. It works. It works. It works. So that should be on there. Yep. Don't have any sort of, yeah. Ouch. Maybe it was that one. One of these is broken. Why didn't that like... Alright, let's drop in 2 of them. Which one's the real one? Alright, worked. Alright, that was the fake one. So it definitely has it. Was it actually dropping 2? Yeah, see, this is a problem where you can actually merge them, even though these have actually different... They have different MBT tag compounds, so... That can be easily resolved by doing like this.set max stack size to 1. Even I think you can do the same thing in here. Set. Alright. Do that. And then that stops that issue of being able to override. Like, there's other ways I can do it, but this is the easiest way. I need to make it so laptops can have names too, because that's a bit of a problem too. Alright, we know that works. You just keep me hanging. Ah, there's no server. I'll find my way. Pardon me. So we shouldn't be able to stack them now. Alright, that's good. That's how it should have been anyway, from the start. So you shouldn't be able to, you know, yeah. Cool. I just think this is dropping 2. Oh no, it's only dropping 1. Alright, cool. So that should have data on it. Yeah, I can tell straight away it does because the laptop actually opened up. We've actually got to strip that tag from it. So unblock break. Yeah, see this open one. Tagging to tag, got remove tag, open. Strip that tag from it. I don't think I'm going to do a special crafting table. I think I'm going to stick with the whole normal crafting table. Just as going to be like those sub-components as I mentioned. So there'd be a plain circuit board. There'd be like, I don't know, capacitor, whatever. I don't know about electronics. There'd be just like the little CPU piece, but not on an actual, not on a circuit board yet. So you actually have to put them two together. And a bunch of that stuff. I'm not going to make it like super difficult to craft it, but I'm going to make it like a process in a way. I feel like it's going to be like a, like I want the laptop to be more of like a, not like a, more of like a mid-game item. A mid-game item. Not something you get at the end, but not something you can get right at the start really easily. Like, you've got to at least have, like, I don't know, gone to the nether. Maybe I'll make something nether dependent. Maybe I'll make something the end dependent. One of those, so puts a dragon egg for the recipe. Only like one per world unless you respawn it. Yeah, I know Nab's watching the stream. He posted a peachy emoji. Oh, he was. There's not many people here now. But there we go. No longer syncs that crap. No longer syncs that crap to the client anymore. I just don't want to at all. Let's just say like get MBT share tag. Return null. Does that stop it on single player side as well? We can just stop the client, run the client again. Does that stop it being shown on the single player as well? It's a mystery, and you and I, we got history. Cray, I like your ex-girl. Alright. Ah, no, it still sends it. Alright, can't do anything about that. Don't need to override that. Rest in pepperoni. Alright, there we go. We fixed up the whole laptop issue. Data. Data is now saved to laptop. That's one that everybody... This is a change that everybody has been wanting, so... There you go, guys. There you go, guys. Ka-ching-a. Ka-ching-a. Oh. You should need a nether star. That's not a bad idea, dude. A nether star. Because that comes from a thingo. Like, the nether star, right? Could be used for the CPU. I reckon that would be a good idea for the CPU. Use a nether star. Like, could you imagine, like, actually getting a laptop and then being able to, like, use it? Like, it's just, it opens, once you get that, then it opens up a brand new world. You know? We need printers in main. Printers will come soon. Maybe I'll release in the next update. I already called it the icons update, but maybe we can just call it something else. Maybe we can call it the ultimate content update. I don't know. What should we call it? The printer update. I'm just running around now because I've pretty much finished off for today. So if you guys enjoyed this live stream today, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. I'm about to go ahead and read out some Twitter shoutouts. Also, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when I actually do go live. But let's go to my notifications right now. Let's go to my retweets. We had one person who quoted it, Tron XT, and let's go to the actual retweets. We got It's Corey, Stitchenstein, Mr. Butters, Avery, Joseph Thousand, and Ty Rail. Thank you guys for the retweets there over on the Twitters. Appreciate your guys' support. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this live stream too. Let me know if you did. Could have cleaned up a bunch of imports while we're at it. Good luck. That. So many like unused stuff. Alright, cool, whatever. But yeah, that's it guys. I will see everyone later. Bye.